It's time for another drink recipe, and tonight I want to go for something with a little bit of a jolt. Can you guess what the inspiration is tonight? For this drink, we're going to need tequila, Red Bull, some Mountain Dew, please drink responsibly, and some orange juice, and of course, a shot glass to measure. Since we're using a tall glass tonight, we're going to pour 2 shots of tequila. After that, we're going to use 2 shots of Red Bull. We're going to want lots of energy tonight. Follow that up with a single shot of Mountain Dew, poured very carefully. And finally, grab that OJ. Make sure to give it a shake. And of course, always use pulp-free. Once you're ready, we're going to pour 4 shots of orange juice. This will give the drink a nice, cloudy, orange-yellow color. But it feels like something's missing, doesn't it? Why don't we add a garnish? Some delicious maraschino cherries. Whatever you do, don't get the good ones. They're a little bit too dark and not quite the red color you're ultimately looking for. We're going to need a toothpick or a toothpick equivalent, so let's go with something festive. Then proceed to prove just how difficult it is to toothpick a cherry out of a jar of cherries. Once you've finally gotten one, lower it into your drink. Not like that. Probably fill your drink with ice to give it something to stabilize in. When all hope is lost, use a second hand to make this easier, and drop a second cherry in. I said, use a second hand to make this easier. And with that, the drink is complete. The electric screwdriver. Enjoy.